these are one pair. Okay, this is a one pair of line. This is yellow, this is black, and this is green. Okay, this is a one pair of line. Okay, and I have one more pair of line, and this is the another pair of line. Okay, this is one pair, this is one line, this is one. So these are three lines of a triangle. Okay, now we have three lines of a triangle. This is one set that I am having. This is the another set that I am having. I will take these three and let's take them differently. Okay, and I have one more. This is the third set. Okay, so I have the three set of lines, and I will see whether I can form the triangle by this by these three set of lines or not. Okay, you can predict by which it's one, okay, it's two, and it's three. By which you can see that I can form a triangle. See, I will take the first set. Okay, you can see it right. Okay, let us suppose this is my base. Okay, this is my base. Okay, so I have three set of lines. This is one set, this is one set, and this is the another set. Let's make the triangle out of it. Okay, we will see whether we will be able to make a triangle of it or not. See, I have this as the largest side, and this is one side, and this is the another side. See, if I try to join these two sides, if I try to join these two sides anyhow, okay, so let's come these two sides closer. So is the triangle formed or not? You can see, even on deflecting on towards the sides, we are not even able to make the triangle. Can we see that triangle is formed or not? Can we form a triangle? It's not possible to form a triangle. So remove this. Okay, put it on the other side. Now let's take the third. Let's take the second. This is your largest side. Okay, and let us suppose this one is your side. Okay, and this one is your one more side. Okay, if we even make them closer to one another, can we see that whether a triangle is formed or not? See, I will put this here and put it here, and if I make them close to one another, even making close to one another, I can't make a triangle. This forms a straight line because I can see by adding the black and green, I will get yellow. Can you see the triangle is formed or not? Are they equal in size? Because when I even join these two sides, of a triangle, it's forming a straight line. It's actually coinciding with the original line. It forms a straight line rather than forming a triangle. Is this clear? Now, the third possibility of forming a triangle. Let us see what is the third possibility. Remove this one as well. Okay. Now take the third. One. If you see, this is the largest side of a triangle, or you can take any side. This is the angle. This is one side, and this one is the another side. Okay. This one is the another side. Okay, if you join them, let us suppose I will join them. Can you see that the triangle is formed? Can you see that triangle is formed? Hello, guys?
Yes, it is formed.
Is it formed or not?
Yes, sir.
Why this triangle got formed? Can you tell me what is the reason, what is the logic behind this, that why this triangle got formed? See, if I take all these figures and plot them one by one here. Okay, you can see it is first, it is second, and this one is the first one. Okay, and this one is the second one, and this is the last one. If you see, what is the difference between all of them? What is the reason that third one got formed into a triangle while a second and third one does not? You can see in the first one, the sum of the black and the white is less than the yellow. Can you see it? In the second one, you can see the sum of the black and the white is equal to the yellow. Not even that case. In the third case, you can see sum of black and this white is greater than third one yellow. That's why the triangle got formed in this case. We have read in the chapter triangles that a triangle is formed. It is a valid triangle when sum of two triangles, sum of two angles of a triangle is always greater than the. Yes, guys.
Third side.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
You can tell me any other way, if I take this side as the base, then this, let us suppose I will take this as the base, okay, these two as the other two sides. Let us see whether a triangle is formed or not. Can I see the triangle is formed? Can you see that triangle is formed? Huh? No. No, because this side and this side should coincide. Not even that case. Got it? Even in this case, it was equal, so it is not formed here. Now, let's take this case. This is a valid triangle. You can take any two sides. Let us suppose this is one side and this is one more side, and let us see whether a triangle is formed or not. Yes, in this case, you can see a triangle is formed. Got it? This. Okay, let's take black one as the base and these two as the sides. Let us see, in this case, a triangle is formed. I can see that yes, a triangle is formed in that case as well. You can see like this, and you can see like this. Triangle is formed. Is that clear, guys? So in short, I just want to explain one thing here, that if the sum of two triangles, sides of a triangle, is greater than the third side, then we can say that the triangle is formed. If the sum of two sides is equal, the triangle will not be formed. If sum of two sides is less than, still the triangle will not be formed. Fine.